So speak life, wholeness, wealth, peace, and divine power, because your voice is an instrument of manifestation. Too many people speak death over themselves daily, then wonder why their reality reflects chaos, illness, confusion, and stagnation. Stop waiting for the world to change. Command your world to shift. Your words are your wand. Use them intentionally. Your voice is your frequency. Tune it to your highest good. From this day forward, no more words of defeat, no more speech of lack, no more verbal curses over yourself. Instead, you will build, you will rise, you will create, because you understand now your voice is power. So today, speak with divine awareness. Today, let your words heal you. Today, let your voice create new possibilities. Today, let your frequency vibrate at the highest level, because you are the architect of your own existence. And it all begins with the words you choose to speak. Declare it, feel it, embody it. So before you speak, ask yourself, is this uplifting or destructive? Is this creating or dismantling? Does this align with the reality I wish to manifest? Speak in the present tense. Avoid I will be or one day I'll have. Instead, affirm affirm as if it is already done, as if it already exists. Like, I am healthy, I am wealthy, I am healed, I am magnetic to all that serves my highest good. Point blank.